Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Elementor Page Builder actions and revision history, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your design changes effectively so you can create stunning web pages without the fear of losing your progress. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Elementor editor. You can do this by clicking on the Edit option for your page. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a user-friendly interface that allows you to make changes easily. This is your canvas for creativity. Next, let's dive into styling. Click on the Style tab located in the left panel. This is where you can customize various elements of your page. Adjusting the width of your sections is crucial for a balanced layout. Simply find the width settings and make your adjustments. Remember, a well-structured page is like a well-organized room. Now let's focus on your headings. Click on the Head section to modify your title. Here, you can adjust the text alignment to ensure it fits perfectly within your design. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The options are generally the same. Next, adjust the text color to match your brand's theme. This is an essential step in maintaining visual consistency across your site. After that, let's change the background color to enhance the overall look of your page. A good background can make your content pop and grab attention. Once you have the background set, click on the Body section to edit the typography. Typography is like the voice of your website. It communicates your brand's personality. Change the font to something that resonates with your audience and adjust the font size for readability. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Now let's publish your work. Click on the Publish button to make your changes live for visitors. But before you do, remember to save your options by clicking the up arrow next to the Publish button. This ensures that all your hard work is stored safely. After publishing, you might want to review your changes. Click on the History option to see a list of actions you've taken. This is where you can manage your revisions. Click on Actions to view what you've done so far. This is like a time machine for your design. Finally, if you need to revert to a previous version, click on Revisions. This feature allows you to go back to earlier versions of your work, giving you peace of mind as you experiment with different designs. And there you have it. You now know how to use the Elementor Page Builder actions and revision history effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.